So let's start with today's delicious cheese toast recipe. Now here I've taken some coriander, fresh coriander, and just soaked it in some salt water, with which I've added a teaspoon of salt for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take two light green chilies. I'm going to take off the edges. I've washed the chilies well. And then we're going to chop the chilies really, really fine. Now it's very important that you wash the chilies, cut the chilies really, really fine for this chili cheese toast. So here I'm just chopping them roughly, and then I'm going to take another knife and really chop them fine, as you will see in the video. Now with respect to the coriander or the kothimir, after soaking it in some water to which salt has been added, I just drain all the water out and then wash the kothimir really well, and I'm going to chop that also really, really fine. Now, one tip I'd like to give you here: when you're buying coriander, buy the real fresh coriander which has these small little white flowers on them. That is the freshest you can get, and it's really delicious. So now here we have our coriander, we have our chopped chilies, and this I'm going to use some mixed herbs. You can use any brand, and this is just some processed cheese which I've grated. And this is a little bit of milk, about 4 tablespoons. Now you can use a mixture of processed cheese and mozzarella. You get this pizza blend of cheese. You can use that too, but right now I'm just using normal processed cheese. All I do is I just take the block of cheese and I grate it and keep it in my refrigerator whenever I require. It's always at hand. So now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients really well together. Now I'm going to add a little milk at a time, and I'm going to make it into a little kind of a paste. Now I'm also going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of the mixed herbs, and I'm going to mix everything really well together. So what the milk does is it gives it some kind of a body and consistency and brings it to this kind of a spread kind of a consistency. So now I have my pan heating on a low to medium heat, and I've taken 2 slices of bread, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to evenly spread out this cheese mixture that I've prepared all over the slice of bread. So at this point, keep your pan or tawa, heating up on a low to medium flame. So now this mixture that I've made is enough for about 4 slices of bread, because I'm going to add a generous amount of the cheese mixture. And once we cut up each slice into 2 halves, we get about 8 slices. So now my pan is nice and hot. I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of butter and just spread it around. And then I'm going to place 2 slices, of the bread on the tawa. And I'm going to keep it on a low flame for just about half a minute. And I'm going to let the bread toast a little, the base of the bread toast a little. Now you can use brown bread, you can use whole grain bread. And I'll just cover it with a lid and let it just cook for another half minute, till the cheese just starts to lightly bubble. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this to a microwave proof dish or a plate, because I'm going to microwave this for just a minute so that I get the cheese nice and melted. So in the meantime, I'm going to put a little more butter on the pan, and I'm going to toast the other 2 slices that we've applied the cheese and chili spread to. So you can make this filling and keep it in your fridge, and whenever you feel like, you can just make this chili cheese toast. So now in the meantime, I'm just going to microwave the other 2 slices for just a minute in my microwave so the cheese gets nice and melted and bubbly. Now these other 2 slices are heating up, and now you see the ones that have come out of the microwave. The cheese has nicely melted all evenly. And I'll show you the base of the bread also is nice and light and golden brown in color. Keep an eye on it when it's on the pan. It shouldn't get burnt at the bottom. We want this nice crispy kind of a texture to this chili cheese toast. And now once all the toasts are ready and they've cooled down a little bit, just cut them up into half with a nice sharp serrated knife, and your chili cheese toast is all ready. So you can have this all by itself, or you can club it up with some ketchup or any sauce that you like. So this is a nice anytime snack, or even a light breakfast or a light evening meal. I'm sure all the kiddies will love this. This is a big hit at my home with my family. And that's it, friends. Your chili cheese toast is all ready. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.